Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you the Tokyo Biohack Air Jordan 1 shoes. So I got this on the sneakers app. Got really lucky. So let's begin. So this size, it's 11 and a half. Pretty much my size. So I'll be showing on foot pretty much. Okay, so let's show you the front color. So the tongue, it's orange with the pink Nike logo, so Nike Air, and the swoosh as well, pink. And the front, it's like rubber. Yeah, more like not rubber, but more of hard material, kinda. Yeah. And then it's a greenish blue color. On this side, all green and yellow, green yellow. So the swoosh is silver. And the back right here, it's a brown color, Travis Scott's color kinda way. Alright, let's go on this side. Same thing. No difference on this side. The bottom is just a regular Nike Jordan 1 bottom, black color. There's the Nike logo. Okay, so it came. So the inside, it's pink. Yeah, pink wrap behind. And then it's blue in the bluish color. Kind of. Oh, you can see it. Yeah, bluish color inside with the black laces. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much the right side of the shoes. Let's see if there's any difference on this side. There's no difference. Same style, same colorway on this side. Just that it comes with a pink shoelace. Yeah. No difference. Same thing. Alright, I'm gonna show you the on feet then. Alright guys, here's the on feet look. So yeah. I'm lazy to like do the laces, but here it is. Show you guys the ankle. It's pretty nice too. Yeah. Fit me perfectly. So I'm trying to like show you how it looks like when it's on feet. On the side. Let's check on this side. Yeah. Pretty cool. Yep. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Peace out.